This is a brief recording to demonstrate how a bespoke ChatGPT tool that has been drafted as a Socratic guide for nursing students can be used by students. It's been pre-trained on the various FHEQ level marking criteria. So it requires that when students submit a piece of work, they also specify what level they are being assessed at. So I'll show you an example. Please give me the following piece of writing. It is at FHEQ level 6. And then I'm just going to paste in an example from a student essay to show you the kind of advice and support that it will come up with. And the student can then take it further if there's an element of that feedback that they don't understand. So, for example, if the student wanted to understand about broader context, can you advise as to how I could integrate the broader context in this example? And because it's been pre-instructed, if you like, to not give any advice, to not give answers, it's going to only do this in the form of questions. So it might give some prompts, but it doesn't give the student answers. But it can help unblock them if they have a little bit of if they get a little bit stuck at that point. Finally, if there are any specific aspects, for example, on the assessment criteria that a student wants to understand better, so for example, synthesis, which is often a word that students struggle to put into practice, you can ask ChatGPT to explain a little bit more. How could I demonstrate synthesis more effectively in this piece of work? And again, you'll see it's not giving specific answers, it's just giving suggestions. So the idea would be that students could use this for ongoing feedback. So they wouldn't necessarily need to rely on a single formative feedback point of contact. They could use specific extracts from their formative work as many times as they wanted to along the learning journey to improve their work in a continuing way.